The state's plan going forward will be calling about 3 SWAT members from Ekurhuleni. Then we'll call 3 witnesses still within a trial, the IO, Brigadier Gininda,
Gininda, okay.
Sergeant Muhola, and Sergeant Mukhani.
In January.
Sergeant Mukhani. Well, I think the...
Oh, not January, Mukhani.
Mukhani.
No, it's because I heard Mr.
Yes.
Gomez was saying it's Utelezi, etc., etc.
Yes.
January.
Yes, but
Mukhani.
Yes, but Telez is part of the SWAT members that the state will be calling. Yes.
Okay, fine.
The court, please. The state calls the next witness is Constable Nkosi Pile Mapumulo. He is not on the witness list, man. Nkosi Pile.
Nkosi Pile.
Yes.
Mapumulo,
yes.
Just as a matter of interest, Mr. Ngomezulu. So whilst we're arguing, not arguing, we're struggling with the previous witness saying Ipoisa Elikulu. What is a general in Sizulu? Some peace or Umziligas? They were generals. What are they? Hello, Mr. Gomezulu, I'm speaking to you.
Sorry, my lord, I don't have to. I'll think about the exact name, but wait. But at the moment, because
you're struggling, eh?
Summer cruise is something else.
I want general. Let's try Mr. Ramsepin.
My lord, I'm lost. I'm Tswana.
Mr. Nisi. General.
Well, it could be akin to Ipoisa Elikulu.
No, we're not talking about the Ipoisa Elikulu. I'm just interested in a general. General, what is it?
Oh, they normally say you general.
See, Mr. Ngumalo?
It could be. It could be. It could be Ipoisa Elikulu, general. It could be Ipoisa Elikulu.
No, we're talking about general. Quarter on Ipoisa Elikulu.
Okay, so Marcos.
So Marcos?
Yes.
I never.
Never.
Msolowa, general?
My lord, Induna.
Yeah, near.
Induna.
When Shara was sending, for instance, Mziligazi to come and put up camp here at the Union buildings. Did you know that?
No, I don't know that.
Has it?
Yeah.
Mziligazi was here for about 15 years before he went to Mozambique and to the then Rhodesia, Zimbabwe, when he colonized the Shonas, etc.
Yeah.
So, uthi Induna?
Induna, my lord.
Induna?
Induna, yes. Induna, Dopet.
Okay.
Thank you, my lord.
Ongamele.
Ongamele, thank you, my lord. That's the correct.
Okay. Any luck, Mr. Gomezulu? Any luck with general?
summer cruise.
Okay, fine. You know, our language is we're still developing. It would appear. Because we don't have this concept. We didn't have them until we were colonized. Yes, Mr.
As a court, please, my lord, this witness is going to testify in respect of exhibit FF.
Exhibit, what is that?
FF, it's the confession that was taken down by Lieutenant Colonel Mboto.
Okay.
On the 30th of May.
Okay. So his full name, sir?
Amagama aphelele.
Nkosi Mpile Maphumulo, my lord.
Maphumulo, right? So the witness name?
Ungaba lenkinga ukuthi uthathe isifungo sokukhuluma iqiniso baba. No objection in taking a prescribed oath, my lord. Uyafunga ke ukuthi ke ubufakazi uzonikezela ngabo manje kuyoba iqiniso lodwa iqiniso liphelele uma kunjalo phakamise sokudla isandla uthi inkosi ngisize ngikhuluma iqiniso.
Nkosi ngisize ngikhuluma iqiniso.
Sworn in, my lord.
Yes.
You are a constable in the service of Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department.
Ngabe kunjalo ukuthi wena ungu-constable khona laphana ku-Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police?
Yebo.
Ngicela ukhulumele phezulu bakuzwe bonke.
Yebo kunjalo.
It is indeed so.
Is it correct that you were appointed in the year 2009?
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi-ke wa-appointwa wena ngo-2009?
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, it is so.
Is it further correct that during the period 2013 and 2022, you were attached to a unit which is known as the Special Weapons and Tactics?
Ngabe kuyiqiniso-ke ukuthi ngo-2013 ukufika ngo-2022 ubusebenzela lona lela gatsha-ke okuyi-Special Weapons and Tactics?
Yebo.
Yes.
Which is described in the acronym SWAT SWAT.
Njengoba yaziwa-ke ngaleyo acronym ekuthiwa i-SWAT SWAP.
Yebo.
TAT, sorry. Yes.
Do you know the previous witness who testified in respect of Exhibit FF, Constable Monaring?
Constable Monaring uyamazi yena okuyena lo uthule ufakazi mayelana-ke ne-Exhibit FF?
Yebo.
Yes.
How do you know him?
Umazi kanjani yena?
Bengisebenza naye ku-SWAT.
I used to work with him in SWAT.
And the lead investigator in this matter, Brigadier Gininda, is he known to you?
Kanti lona-ke okuyena ohola ithimba lophenyo kuleli cala uBrigadier Gininda, yeniyamazi?
Yebo.
Yes, I know him.
On the 30th of May 2020, were you on duty?
Ngeyi-30 zikaMeyi 2020 ubusemsebenzini?
Yebo.
Yes.
What type of duties were you performing on the day?
Wenza muphi umsebenzi ngalelo langa?
Besenza i-crime prevention.
We were performing crime prevention duties.
Can you tell the court in your own words what happened
Ungatshela inkantolo-ke ngamagama wakho ukuthi kwenzakalani
regarding this matter?
mayelana-ke naleli cala?
Ngalelanga leli sathola i-call.
On this day, we received a call.
If you say we, who are you referring to?
Mauti nathola i-call ukhuluma ngawe nobani?
So bengisebenza no Constable Monaring.
I was working together with Constable Monaring.
And then sathola ucingo.
We received a call.
Yes, from whom?
Eyayiqhamuka kubani?
Yayibuya ku Colonel Gininda.
That was from Colonel Gininda.
Yes.
And then sasesiyasuka-ke siya lapho akade efonele uMnaring ukuthi sizohlangana naye wakuse eRatin.
We then proceeded to a place where he told Monaring that we will be meeting at, that is at Eratin.
Yes.
And then sasesiyahlika wayeseyas-addressa ukuthi une.
Yes. You had a discussion with now Brigadier Gininda, is that correct?
Naba-ke nengxoxo naye uBrigadier Gininda. Yamanye amazwi-ke nahlangana naba nengxoxo naye.
Yebo sahlangana.
Yes, we met and we had a discussion, yes.
Yes, what happened?
Kwase kwenzakalani?
Wayesiyasicela ukuthi kune suspect emele sihambise police station at Deep Kloof.
He then informed us that there is a suspect that we need to transport to Deep Kloof police station.
Malatus indicated earlier on Brigadier Gininda will be called as a witness. Yes.
Yebo.
And then ke wayese yasinikeza i-suspects leyo kumele sihambe.
He then handed this suspect that we need to transport over to us.
Yes.
Sase-ke singena emotweni.
We then got into the car.
Yes.
Emva kokuba sesibingelelene naye i-suspect. Sase
There were-
siyahamba.
After we had greeted the suspect, we then drove off.
Did you establish what his name was?
Uke wathola ukuthi igama lakhe bekubani?
Cha, zange simbuze igama.
We didn't ask who he was. We didn't ask his name.
Yes. You may continue.
Ungaqhubeka-ke.
Sase siyahamba siya e-Deep Kloof.
We then proceeded to Deep Kloof.
Yes. What time was it, more or less?
Bekungaba ngobani isikhathi mhlawumbe?
Kwase kuntambama angekho sure kahle ukuthi kwakungabobani ukuthi.
It was already in the afternoon. I am uncertain about the time though.
Yes.
Yebo.
Sase siyahamba ke safika e-Deep Kloof.
We proceeded to Deep Kloof and we got to Deep Kloof.
Yes.
And then Constable Mnaring wayeseyahlika ke naye i-suspect.
Now, Constable Munaring alighted together with the suspect.
Yes.
Waseke eyohlangana no Colonel lo okwafanele sihlangane naye okuku Colonel Muthu.
He then went to meet with the colonel that we were supposed to have met with, that is Colonel Mbutu.
And then ke wangena phakathi ke ema-ofisini after sekamfonele ukuthi sesikhona.
So uyamfonela, emva kokuthi amfonele ungena ema-ofisini.
Yes.
He phone called him first, and after he had phone called him, he then got into the offices. Sikhuluma ngaye uMnaring.
Yebo sikhuluma ngaMnaring.
Yes. We're referring to Munaring.
Yes.
And then
If you say he called him, who did he call?
Wafonela bani mawuthi wamfonela?
wafonela uKennel Mbutu.
He phone called Colonel Mbutu.
Yes, you may proceed.
Ungaqhubeka.
Then wayeseyabuya ke sasesihlala emotweni.
He then came back, and then we sat in the car.
If you say he came back, who are you referring to?
Ukhuluma ngobani?
Constable Mnaring.
I'm referring to Constable Munaring.
And where in Deep Kloof did this take place?
Lokho kwenzakala kuphi kahle kahle eDeep Kloof?
Police station.
At the police station.
Yes. Yes, we sat in the car. What happened further?
Nahlala emotweni emva kwalokho kwase kwenzakalani?
Ndasihlalile isikhathi nje.
We sat for a while in the car.
Yes.
And then base beyamfonela uConstable Mnaring.
Then Constable Munaring was phone called.
Yes, by who?
Wafonelwa bani?
Wayefonela uKennel Mbutu ukuthi angene phakathi.
He was phone called by Colonel Mbutu that he should get inside.
Yes.
Yebo.
Wangena ke walanda i-suspect lebesize nayo.
He got inside and took the suspect that we had traveled with to the police station.
Yes.
Then waseyabuya ke wayifaka emotweni suspect sasiyasuka siyahamba.
He then came back and loaded the suspect into the vehicle, and then we drove off.
And when you first stopped at Diepkloof police station, when Constable Monarin took the suspect into the police station, did you see any injuries on that suspect?
Uma senifika lapho ke umnaringa emthathe emfaka ngale police station lo umsolowa. Wena khona ke amanxeba athize uke wabona kumsolowa?
Cha, awe.
No, there are no injuries that I saw.
And when he came back,
Uma sekebuya ngaba akhona amanxeba wabona kuye? Cha. No.
did he complain of any injuries?
Ngabe ke wakhalaza mfambe ngamanxeba?
Cha.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he was loaded into the motor vehicle. What happened further?
Wafakwa emotweni ke emva kwalokho kwase kwenzakalani?
Sabe sesiyahamba ke sesibuyele eRatin.
We then drove back to Eraton.
Yes.
Yebo. Maqhubeka.
Lapho ke sahlangana khona futhi no Kenneth Gininda.
And upon arrival at that particular spot, we then met again with Colonel Gininda.
Yes.
And then wasiyasicela futhi uKenneth Gininda ukuthi asisize team yakhe si escorte ukuthi ihambise le suspect bezihamba naye.
Then we were requested by Colonel Gininda to the effect that we should assist his team again so that we escort the suspect as he will be transported. Yeah, no suspect.
Yeah.
The same suspect that we were transporting initially.
Yes.
Sasisiyahamba njengoba kade sicela ukuthi transporte saya ePitori eValeria.
We then took off as he had requested us to do so, to transport the suspect. We proceeded to Valeria in Pretoria.
Yes.
Yebo.
Yebo kulapho ke wafike wavalelwa khona ke sasisiyahlukana.
That is where he got detained at, and then we parted ways.
And where in Valeria are you referring to?
Gope Valeria.
Police station.
At the police station.